What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. So you can see I titled this one. We're gonna be drawing an RC truck through the icy water, or otherwise known as the icy puddle, because it's a big puddle in our driveway. Man, wait.
It's also getting really cold because it's December and it's about to start. It's about to get to winter. Right,
and before we get into this video, go check out the merch. It'll be right above Chase's head, right there. And that will really help the channel if you could get some of that. Subscribe if you're new. Like if you like it.
We already had one person buy it.
Yeah, and let's get right into this one. It's so cold out here. It's like 20-something degrees, 30-something degrees. It's freezing. Even though it's sunny, it's freezing.
It is really cold. We did smash the ice with a
hammer,
with like a
baseball bat
and a shovel. And this is how thick the ice was.
Can't see
it's
it.
Like right here. This is how thick it was.
Yeah.
Really thick. And that there,
I'm gonna go get something. Hey, Chase, hold the camera for a second. I'm gonna go get something and put the camera on.
Okay.
Hold the camera.
It's so sunny out, but it's so cold. You can probably see our RC truck kind of looks a little familiar. It's some monster truck, and you already know probably what this guy looks like. Christian's got something with the camera on. Look at those wheels. I think he's gonna do it good. We have a chain right here for the truck. If you didn't see that.
Okay, I'm back. I gotta mount the camera real quick.
A little bit closer.
Yeah. Can't see anything. Okay. Make sure you can see the puddle. Yeah, that should be good.
It looks huge.
Okay, we're good. Okay, we'll get right into this. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right into it.
See the boat right here. We were gonna try out this boat too. It's just going. Oh, it's actually going through now.
Doing pretty well for an RC truck in the middle of December in an icy puddle that's like a good foot deep. It's doing pretty good. It's full of ice. Chase saw you in the beginning. It's how deep, how thick that ice is. It's ridiculous.
A chain around the back tire.
And yeah, so.
Trisha, we're gonna see what it looks like with the chain on the back tire.
Put a chain on the back tire. See if it has any better traction or whatever.
If it does, I'll be really happy. No, it can't get on. Come on. I'm just gonna try to put it on.
he's working it out. We'll see. We'll see what's happening. Oh my God, it's so cold.
I'm trying to do the best I can. No! It's actually doing... I got it on.
I don't know what
So
I'm
that's a
doing.
little bit more traction. Oh, it went around it. Oh my God. It has a little bit more traction, but not a lot. I think that'll be it for this video.
Yeah, I think
What?
Sig's done his time. Okay. Short video, not really. Just like
It's
good.
because we didn't really have anything.
And it's a good 7-minute long video anyway, so just wanted to post it, posted a week, and but I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip of Mac, this truck running through this wicked icy puddle of water. And I'm gonna finish this video at the garage.
We're doing a little bit of a long vacation because winter. We don't really have a lot of stuff to do.
We might throw
a Christmas present opening.
We might throw a couple streams in the middle because I've been getting back into Fortnite recently.
Yeah,
And season 7 just came out, so we might do a stream later on tonight. No, we don't really know. But this video will be up today, hopefully.
we have a really good strategy with me and Christian.
I mean, he loves the strategy, so I just go along with it. So, yeah.
We might do a stream tonight.
We might do that, but
That might be.
Yeah.
That's our second time doing 2 videos in one day.
yeah. So, I'm gonna finish this video in the garage real quick. Chase, can you grab this one? I'll grab it out of the way. Chase, you can just fix that. I'm gonna do the outro real quick. Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's wicked cold out here. We're just gonna warm up and edit this video and get it out there for you guys. And I don't know, we might stream it tonight. We don't know. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Check out the merch. Drop a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.